What's up, guys? And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to become a Quack Builder affiliate so you can promote Quack Builder so you can earn some extra cash. Okay, like that being said, let's get started, guys. So as you can see right here, I'm at quackbuilder.com, and if I scroll all the way down to the footer of the page, you're gonna see a section say affiliate. If you click that, it's gonna take you to the affiliate section of the builder, and it's gonna explain to you, it's gonna tell you everything about the affiliate program, and you can go through, you can read and get an idea. And then when you're ready, you can click any one of the get started button. Okay, so I'm just going to click that. It's going to just take me directly to the account because I already created an account. This is a fresh account that I created just to show you guys this overview of the affiliate section. Okay guys, so right here is where we're going to generate our link. So I'm gonna come back to this in a second, but on the left hand side is all the link that we created using with this button. Okay, and the banners, you can easily take one of these banners to promote your posts, whether on Facebook, Twitter, etc. Okay, and you can use the code right here once you generate the link and just embed it into your website, or you can just save image as, and then you can download this image, you can download that image, and then you can use that in your post. Whenever you post something, you upload the image in Facebook, and then you said to learn more, visit the URL, and then you put your unique URL that you created, your unique link that you use this button create. You put that in the post, and whenever they click that and make a purchase, you get paid. Okay, and as you can see right here is the payout. So please keep in mind, guys, that you guys have to reach a minimum of $100 to get to withdraw your money. Okay, and you can get that with just one customer. Okay, and for the settings, you just make sure you fill this out, make sure you have your PayPal email, because this is how we're gonna send you your money, so please make sure this is correct. Okay, like that being said, guys, let me go back to the dashboard, and down here on the dashboard, these are all the clicks you get. It's just give you a run through of the history of what going on with the link you generated. Okay, so if you make a sale, it put the money right here. If somebody refund, it's go right there, etc. Okay, all right, and you will start to see this link, this click start account as well. Okay, like that being said, let's show you guys how to create your unique link. Okay, all right, so when you're gonna create your link, all you have to do is click create a link, and then when you click create a link, please guys, please remember to leave this the way it is. Do not touch this, do not write anything in this box, because the redirect link should be quackbuilder.com. Okay, so do not mess with this box. This is the box that you need to focus on. Okay, so when it's said to create a unique link, this is what it want you to create it. Okay, so all right, say for instance I'm gonna promote this link on Facebook. I can say this link, I'm gonna use it for Facebook, so I can say Facebook, and I'm gonna put an S on there because I already created a link for Facebook. I'm just gonna put an S so it unique. Okay, all right, because the system gonna recognize it if I try to use the same name and say I already have that link, and it's not gonna let me create it. Okay, so I have to differentiate it. So I put S. Okay, and then you can write a little note just to remind you. Please remember to leave this as it is. Okay, But right here, just write a little note just to remind you what you're gonna do with that link. So you say I will be promoting this link on Facebook. And as you can see, I make a mistake right here. It should be space. And then I can click save, okay? And that is how we created our unique link. As you can see, it's right here, okay? And to start to promote Quack Builder, all I have to do is just copy this link, just like this. I can highlight it, and then I can click copy and copy it. Or I can just click this link thingy right here, and it's going to copy it for me. As you can see, say copy to clipboard, okay? And then if I come back to dashboard, you can see 13 clicks right there. And just to make sure your link is working, make sure you paste your link in the URL of your browser and click enter, and it should take you back to the Quad Builder website. And then right here you should see the click starter count, right? So if it's at 13, it should, when I refresh, it should say 14. And down here it should tell you the date like this, and then it should tell you the clicks, okay? And then you should see the link, what link clicks, right here, okay? So if I refresh this, it doesn't count as yet because it take a while. Sometime it take couple a minute or so before it registers said the link get click. But just wait and see if you're gonna see it change to 14, okay? Then all you have to do is refresh and see if it changed to 14. Another way you can check is when you come over to links and you click right here and say links, and then you should see the link that say Facebook, the one with an S right there in the bottom. You know that that link is working because you're gonna see the name of it, how many time it clicks, what they bought, and etc. So I'm just gonna refresh this again to see if it start to pick it up, but not yet. So basically all you have to do is wait for a couple minutes, and then you refresh again and see if that link, if these thing change, okay? I'm just gonna come back again and I'm gonna paste the link again in the address bar, and I'm gonna hit enter. So now that link being clicked like 2 times. It should read like it clicked 2 times. So when this started to count, then we know that our link is working, okay? So like that being said, guys, we're just gonna wait for this to start a count, and then we will know that our link is working. So I'm just gonna give it a couple minutes, then I come back and refresh, and then I will, see if that link is working. Alright guys, so please keep in mind that you can use any one of these. We're gonna be having more ads soon available for you to use it to promote Quad Builder. But for now we only have these one for you. So please take advantage of it, and start to earn some extra cash. As I said before, this would be the easiest way for you to promote your link if you know how to use it, because it already embed everything inside of the image. So for instance, if I copy this banner head, I'm gonna use another one. I'm just gonna use this one. So if I copy this code and I say copy, if I go to builder, and it's just gonna just pull me up the Quad Builder website. All I have to do, um, I'm just gonna show you guys how can you use it. Okay, so I don't want to really mess anything up on my own and the home page, so I'm gonna use right here as an example. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull a container in right there so it's separated, And then I'm just gonna take the code widget and I'm just gonna put it right in there, and then this gonna pop up, okay? And all I have to do is just paste that that code that I get from the affiliate section of my website. And then once I paste that, just give me a second, guys. Once I paste that in, all I have to do just click off of it, and as you can see, it's right there. Okay, guys, right there. This is the easiest way to for you to embed it. But let me pull this down. No, I'm just gonna leave it as it is because I'm gonna remove it anyway. So if I click save and I go back to the Quack Builder home page, if I reload, if I refresh and then I go all the way down, as you can see, it's right there. And if I click it, it take me back to quackbuilder.com, and the link and everything, my code, my link that I generate already embedded in that picture. So it will just take me to the Quack Builder website, and anybody make a purchase, I get paid. Okay. I'm just gonna remove this back. I just do it to show you guys how easy that was. But I'm just gonna go back to the affiliate section and I'm gonna go to the dashboard, and as you can see, it's actually counting. See, it say 16, and now if I scroll down and then I click links because I want to know if that particular link, that specific link that I created, is working. So if I click links, and then as you can see right here, it said um, Facebooks with an S. You can see say 2 clicks. Okay, this clicks right here. You come down, it say 2. Okay, and if anyone make a purchase, if I make a purchase right now, then you can see the money will come right here. It said you make such and such amount of money today, and the click will still count. Everything will count accordingly. Okay, guys, so that's the way how you become a Quack Builder affiliate. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment if this video is helpful. Please like and share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and to be the first to know when we come up with a new video. Just hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.